urisha fatani ngiyayishisa ngimtshele ngathi kushoda this ayishe ngiyazisola ayikho into engiyisola ngayo njengale liphinifa lakhona yabo ngiyalishisa shisa ku-clean nakho akushe kashe nomalema wabo ne-EFF yabo konke tukwana yateng ashu ngiyashisa
mchise
silo ahambe namazayiza yakhe ayowadocumenta njengokusho kwakhe akasifuni i-South Africa akasifuni akasithandi lobaba ngiyazisolwa abantu kathisa akushe yisha malema yisha fire on malema fire on EFF fire bantu abangafuni South Africa yisha shilo ngathi ngishoda ngento eyodwa ukuthi nishe ipikhuni angangena emlilweni yisha malema nabantu bakho nje sesimvotele lo sasazivotale akasifuni i-South Africa ulwa nathi uthi kwama-South African
ANC
hayi
kilo code
shamalem
say right mamrati
shilo ngathi ngizoshisa yonke into enomalema phakathi sharp.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Yo guys, I'm very proud of this young lady. She is very smart and I thank God for her deliverance. Malema is out there to destroy the youth of South Africa. And I wonder ukuthi kwenzakalani because the bitterness uMalema anayo for South Africa and South Africans. Really, it's concerning. But one thing is for sure, that there's nothing hidden under the sun will be hidden forever. We will know the truth one day. The truth will be revealed someday. We will know the reason of his anger for South Africa and South Africans. Because it shows that there's something behind this. No normal human being engazonda abantu bakubo ngale ndlela asizonda ngayo uMalema. And I pity these kids who are still in that cage. And the majority of these kids are graduates, unemployed. But they are busy following uMalema. The same Malema who want to prioritize foreigners, who doesn't care about them at all, whether they are working or not. He is busy misleading them, telling them that they deserve better. Which jobs are better for South Africans? Because doctors in this country are foreigners, lecturers are foreigners, engineers are foreigners, nurses, teachers are foreigners. So which job is okay for these kids? Which job do they deserve? So these kids will wait until Africa unites. That's when they will work. When will be that? Unfortunately, they are blinded by his lies. They believe him. He's taking advantage because he knows that these are kids. They don't know anything. If you look at his followers, it's rare to find matured people there. Only the youth that is following Malema. I'm very happy for those who have been delivered from the EFF. Because I'm seeing videos from TikTok everywhere, people thanking God for delivering them from the EFF. I'm beginning to believe what Shivambu said, that this is not a political party but a cult that is capturing the youth of South Africa.
I can hear you loud and clear, Bradan, and those are live visuals of Julius Malema's wife. She's here to support her husband, and I must say for the first time that I've actually seen her in court during this whole process.
So many foreigners came to support their president, but they are not asking themselves, Uguti, this person is busy fighting with South Africa to accept foreigners in their country to unite in South Africa. Why not as a leader, as a president of Africa, why not speaking about the problems that they are facing in their countries? If they are wise, because I'm seeing elders here, why are they not asking themselves, Uguti, instead of Malema to call us all to come to South Africa, why not trying to fix the problems? Use his own connection as a leader, as a political leader, to solve the problems of Zimbabwe, to solve the problems of Malawi, to solve the problems of Mozambique, instead of calling the whole continent to come to South Africa. This shows ukuthi akabathandi. He doesn't love them. How can you encourage someone to leave his own home? The person you love to leave his own home, to leave his own country, to come and stay in a foreign country, to end up in a foreign country. What kind of African culture is that? As a powerful leader who is willing to lead Africa, why not helping them to fix those problems they are facing in their countries? Bona nje nabo bayafana ne-leader yabo, bayafana no-president wabo vele, amakhanda abo awasebenzi, because there are questions these people were supposed to be asking themselves. Ukuthi why Malema is disliked by his own people. Almost the whole country in South Africa dislike one person. And they were supposed to ask themselves, why is Malema always insulting South Africans? Are we safe if we allow him to lead us? Because a leader who is always on the neck of his own people, insulting them, telling them how useless they are, and you will trust that person. A person who is always flip-flopping when we are approaching our elections. They trust that person that he will be their leader. In Nigeria, they have a big problem of tribalism. But when Malema is in Nigeria, he's not saying anything about that. Malema is aware of what is happening in Zimbabwe between Shonas and Ndebeles, but he's not saying anything about that. The only thing or the only people he sees that they dislike their fellow Africans are South Africans. Why not solving the problems between Ndebeles and Shonas in Zimbabwe? Why not solving the problem between the Yorubas and the Igbos in Nigeria? And even those people in Nigeria, they are not asking themselves, those who are following him, they are not asking themselves, Malema is always coming here in Nigeria, standing the podium, blaming South Africans, instead of addressing the issues of Nigeria. Because when he is in Nigeria, he was supposed to focus on the things of Nigeria, because he knows what is going on there. Not only Igbos and Yorubas, everything is upside down in Nigeria. Ama-tribes akhona azondana lento engachazeki. Inside Nigeria, they are even considering to have borders between ama-tribes because they are having serious problems. Here in Zimbabwe, Shonas and Ndebeles, they want to have their own border because bayazondana with passion. But Malema is blaming South Africans. Hey, why you dislike your own brothers? This hypocrisy. And it's unfortunate ukuthi abantu base-Africa bonke bayafana noMalema. They don't think. Abacabangi. They were supposed to ask themselves, ukuthi, why is Malema behaving like this? Why is Malema not concerned about the problems that we are having amongst ourselves before we speak about the unity of Africa? How can you unite with the whole continent if you, in the same country, you don't see eye to eye? And you think you can stay with other people that you don't know, other nations. You are busy pushing, forcing that you want to stay in South Africa. Why are South Africans being xenophobic to you? You are fellow brothers. You are black. You are from Africa. You are not saying anything about the problems you left back home. Even here in South Africa and in other countries, you are still having problems with your fellow countrymen. It's a shame.
Many of them probably didn't sleep. Given that there was a night vigil that lasted during the early hours of the morning. They then had to leave Jan Smuts Stadium.
Just imagine, these kids didn't sleep because of Malema. And Malema was sleeping peacefully in his bed. The only worry Malema has is what is going to happen in courts. That's the only thing that is bothering him. Not about all these things that they are doing, cross-nighting. If it's time for him to pay for izono zakhe, he must pay. I don't want to lie to you. Uzikhiphile ke Malema. Even now, noma ngathiwa uyaboshwa, angeke ngize ngimdabukele. I will never feel sorry for Malema. I will never feel sorry for him because ukose idamage enkulu empilweni zethu as South Africans. And at the same time, we hypocrites. If he's facing problems, he wants the same white people to come and help him, to come and rescue him. But if he survives this, usuku lwakhe lona liyeza. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section, like, share the video and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.